the kids will the direct Minion can the surface it. Yay! It's open. Wow. There's 1, 2, 3. Yay! Let's open this now. See what they got.
Uh-oh.
What they got? Wow, it's a rabbit. Like this. It's like this, then the rabbit was here. Okay, kids, let's open the second egg. I did it! Wow, so cool. It's a Minion. What's this? Look, it's a Minion clapper. Look at, what's this?
Kevin?
Kevin, and look at, Bob.
Oh, that's
It's
Bob.
a George.
It's Bob.
Bob, yeah, it's awesome. Let's open the last egg. Roots. I got that car.
It's a Volkswagen Beetle car.
It's very fast. Look. Wow, it's very cool. Take a look at the car. It's a yellow car. Yellow car. So wow, let's see. I really like it, and I like it's moving the wheel. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Gonna open the box. Open the box. Open the box. Yeah. Open the box. Ready to watch your dad. Birthday. It's the airplane.